Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when DaVinci Resolve is not opening on MacBook. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So first thing you want to try out is force quit it. You can go ahead and click Option, Command and Escape keys all at the same time. And after that, force quit applications will open up. You can also do this by clicking on the Apple option and by finding the force option. Then you're going to choose DaVinci Resolve and just force quit and again force quit. Now, if after that your DaVinci Resolve still doesn't open up, you want to go ahead and check for the software updates on your system settings. Go to General, then Software Update. And if there's any update available, you want to go ahead and download it. Also, you want to check your storage if there's available storage on your Mac, because that's why DaVinci Resolve might not open up. Now, if that will not fix the problem, the only left option would be to just go to your applications and find DaVinci Resolve and uninstall it. So here it is, and after that, you can move it to bin. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.